Hello everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. So today is Self-Care Sunday, and I just remembered that I forgot to take my pills. Hang on. Self-Care Sunday. So all this month we have been getting out in nature, just sitting outside, maybe taking a short walk, collecting some bits and pieces from, I collected these, well, this is from my yard. Well, it's easier to tell you this way. This this is some stuff that I had from Anderson Island, where I go. I just picked some stuff up and I had it saved, and when I was straightening up I found it, so I decided to pull that out. But the rest of these things are from my yard or my deck, like old planters, and that's what I have here. And then I just have some cute little pieces, and then I have this that I thought I would try painting with. I don't know. I have no plan except that I'm bringing some things. This, I could probably paint with this too. I'm just bringing some nature into my creativity today. And that's what I invite all of you to do. So the prompt for this week for Self-Care Sunday is to use something that you found in nature in your creations. So I have this journal. I've had this journal for a few, probably 5 years. I used it when I first got it. I got it for Christmas in 2018. This was my first, the first thing I did in it was January 2019. And I kind of feel like I was trying to start a self-care journey back then. When shortly after I got this, I think it was end of January, beginning of February of 2019, I went on a women's retreat with women that I did not know. I did not know anybody. The woman that was leading it, her name is Kaya Singer, and she wrote a book about, I can't remember the name of it right now, but it was basically, being free, being wild, being the woman that you were meant to be. And I was really drawn to her, and she was having a retreat, so I signed up and I went with women that I didn't know. So so this journal, it's really cool. It's a ranger journal, so it has different kinds of papers in it. This is of course burlap, excuse me, some regular pages, some canvas. So it was the end of January. It was called the Wiser and Wilder Retreat, and I think that's the name of her book too, Wiser and Wilder. Great book, amazing woman. I met some amazing people there, one of them being Heidi, who is my energy healer, kind of spiritual guide in a way. And yeah, so I met her there. I did this. We did some art while we were there, so I took some of my art supplies. I made this collage, and then I think I came home and painted it. Or I might have painted it there. I don't really remember. This same thing. Did this at the retreat. Yeah. So then, yeah, it just kind of, it's half full, I would say. And I put it away and kind of forgot about it. So today I gessoed this canvas here, and I'm gonna, yeah, this is where I'm gonna do my little nature collage. So I pulled out some paints. They're upside down because they're almost gone. So I have this Deco Art buttercream, and I'm just gonna put these out if they'll even come out. I don't know how fresh or how good they still are. They're old, but I want to use them up. So there's the yellow, and I am going to put some white gesso on here that I can mix with some of the colors if I want to. And then I have some poodle skirt pink. And some vanilla. This is just all fairly inexpensive craft paint. So there's the vanilla. Might not need the gesso now that I put it out there. And then olive green. Oh wait, no, I have two more. I have this one, and then I did pull out some gold. And then some gold. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna start taking some of my stuff and yeah, just painting. So let's see what we get. Actually, I want to, no, I'm good. I'm not gonna worry about doing the color swatching. So yeah, I really, like I said, I have no plan. We're just playing with some of our found objects that we found in nature. Yeah, this month has been a little bit of a crazy ride for me. When I planned this month out, I had visions of yeah, well, I just had visions of all kinds of things, and then you know, my friend dying kind of just put a little bit of a, I had to pivot. So, and you know what, that's kind of the way life goes. So this is kind of fun. Circles are one of my creative languages. Circles, lines, dots, spirals. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So let's, I'm going to come in with my finger now and just kind of do some of this. Put some of the, I want to lighten it up a little bit. So I mixed it with the vanilla. I might want some blue, so I'm gonna just take some of the green, some of this yellow, and see if it makes a blue. Isn't that? No, it's blue. Blue and yellow make green. Okay, well, guess if I want blue, I have to go get some blue paint. But that looks kind of pretty, doesn't it? And yeah, I have no plan. I'm just playing. Just playing. Okay, so let's try painting with one of these. see what we get, just for fun. Okay, well, let's see. Let's use this bigger piece, see what I get. Let's try using it like this. So like this. That's kind of fun. And I kind of like that it's leaving bits of the plant pieces in here. That's kind of cool. Kind of like that. I really like the marks that this is making. It looks cool. I like it. Okay, that's kind of fun. So then I thought I would just start gluing some of these on and just let them dry on there. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So that looks kind of pretty. And then this one. Could maybe do this one. I think no. I think I'm going to bundle all the flowers down in this area. Okay. That's kind of fun. That's kind of cool. That is kind of cool. Well, I'm going to start just gluing some of this stuff down. I'm going to put this stuff down first. I have no idea what I'm doing. None at all. I'm just playing. That was the whole point of this whole exercise, was to just kind of play, see what you get. I'm not gluing every single part of it down, because I do like the 3D look, even though I know that when I close it and it's been sitting for a while, it will lose that 3D. But I want to try it anyway. So now you might choose to just do a sketch with, you know, a piece of stick or a piece of flower, and not do any of this painting and collaging That's totally up to you. It's your nature. It's your nature piece, and yeah, you can just do it whatever is coming to you. So whatever, just kind of sit down with your pieces, see if they speak to you, and then just, yeah, go from there. Okay, so I like this. I'm gonna do a little bit more, I think, like this. I haven't glued this one down yet. I think I want this one to come. Yeah. So I'm gonna glue this one right down here. Another way you could bring nature into your work without bringing things into your house is, if you have a place where you could set up a spot where you could just do some creating outside. That's another fun thing to do. I have done that before. I've taken sketchbooks out and stuff and just drawn outside. I have done that a lot. I have not here, but when I go visit Anderson Island, I have taken like collage things and worked outside there. I have done that. So that's another option if you don't want to, bring things into your house. I like this stuff just peels right off. It's kind of cool. Felt like I was missing some pieces. Okay, yeah, I like that. Okay, I like that. So I'm trying to see where, I think I want this. Yeah, I think I want this to go right here. And I will leave a piece of paper so it doesn't bleed through to the image on the other side here. Because these still have some moisture in them, so I don't want that to ruin any of the other art that's in the book. We'll see how it goes. Mostly this is just a play around, sketchbook, mixed media book. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Let's move this up. Okay. So there's my little, you know what? I didn't use any of the gold, so I kind of want to do that. So let's try to look and see. This is kind of fun. This is kind of like a brush. I don't know if it'll hold up with paint, but let's see. Let's see what we get. Okay, that's kind of cool. I'm thinking about cutting some of these pieces off. It's just, don't know why, can't tell you. It just feels like something I want to do. Yeah, okay, that's kind of cool. Well, I'm actually really happy with this. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. That's the prompt for this last Sunday in May. Next month is coming up and it's June, and I'm still going. I think we're going to revisit hobbies that we had and loved and gave up for whatever reason. I would like to explore those a little bit. And so that will be June, next Sunday. So be thinking about your list that you had. I think we made them in January of things that you used to do that you loved. And I made a list and I've picked up a few of the things I used to do. I have to go through actually and look at my list again. I know I have a 35 millimeter DSL camera, digital, and I've had it for probably a year and a half, and I've never learned how to use it. So I want to, and that's a hobby that I have always thoroughly loved was photography. Yeah, so I'll talk more about that next Sunday, but that I think that's kind of where I'm going in that direction. So pull out your list from January if you still know where it is. If you don't, make a new list. And yeah, we'll start next week. I hope you have fun with your little whatever kind of nature collage, working in nature. I would love to hear what you end up doing. That would be very cool. I'm just going to put 2023 self-care Sunday. I have a bunch of pieces in here that I didn't date. So I dated everything I did like in 2019. And then I feel like I gave it a break for a while. I need to glue this one down. I'm going to put this one over here. And then I made some more art in here and I didn't label it. I at least would like to know the year. Oh, I really like this. This is really fun. This will be fun to come back and look at after it's dried and smashed. And so let's just start. Yeah, so like this, I don't know. Oh, so this, I did date this. So this was May of 2019. This was a Bloom True Floriboli class, or I did it while I was listening to something from there. And this is something I used to do. I haven't really talked about it too much, but I would like vomit all over the page, like if I was angry or whatever, and then paint over it. So this one this is more of like a background. These are also just some backgrounds. I was playing with some molding paste. And did just a little bit of, started a collage. Yeah, this is just a random abstract painting collage. It's so funny because I'm using these papers now in my cookbook. And yeah, I'm not sure when I did this. This one isn't done. So it, I would like to probably come through with this paint or a different color paint and then do a bunch of doodles inside the circles. Probably do that at some point, kind of like this. So yeah, we go from dull and drab to, whoa. Again, I don't know when I did these because I did not put a year on them. So I try to do that. And just another simple thing, another collage, and then paint over, and then more collage. Put all my past away. God, I've been working hard to get rid of my past. Not get rid of it. That's not the right word because it's here to stay, but manage it and yeah, get past the trauma. And that's the whole reason for Self-Care Sunday. So yeah, well, there's a few more, I guess. And that's it. Yeah, so I think this is the center of the book. Yep, so, well, no, that's the second signature. Okay, so it has 4 signatures. So I'm in the middle of the second signature. And it's a beautiful book. I don't know if they sell them anymore. It's a Ranger I don't know. I love it. It's going to be a big chunky one when I'm done. So let's see, should I open this? Oh, it looks like it's okay to close. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. I just kind of said goodbye and then kept going. But I hope you all have a great day. I hope you have a great day off tomorrow. If you get Memorial in the US, it's Memorial Day tomorrow, Monday. So have a great day and be good to yourselves, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.